How about the 1972 Chevrolet Camaro SS396? These are so cool. You just don't see many of them. And the reason being, they only made 970 SS396s. It's got an error correct 402 cubic inch. What does that mean? That means it's not the original motor, but it would have come out in that same time frame as that car. It could have been in this car. It just wasn't. A Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection, which I'm kind of digging these days. That's a pretty cool setup. You know, Holley has made carburetors for a gazillion years, and they've always been one of the most popular carburetors in the hobby. I mean, you know, you get drag racers who use the Demons and all those other things, but the Holley Sniper EFI is an electronic fuel injection that looks like a carburetor.
Yeah, and it's tunable, and it's
easy, and no muss, no fuss.
Yep.
And it's got an error-correct Muncie M22 manual and a very solid example. And 72 would be the last year for the SS model, and speedometers reduced from 150 to 130. And their long time, I don't know how long, partnership with Hurst Shifters went away.